Some of you are looking to subcontract, and I really believe in subcontracting. So these are 3 things you need to have before, or you need to know before you take on a subcontracting job, right? You need to have the scope of work. That is your guide for success. Without your scope of work, you don't know what the hell you're doing. Number 2, what's the payment policy from the primary contractor to you? That is your validation. After you do work, you need to be validated. And in our industry, you need validation. Then number 3, and most importantly, you need to have quality inspections in place. That is your guarantee, because the only way that contractor will hire you back if he knows that you are inspecting your work. Without these 3 things, you are not going to be successful as a subcontractor. Anyway, if all this is like, wow, this is awesome, I want to know more, just comment ready, and I'll be happy to show you how you can be a very successful subcontractor to grow your cleaning business. See you around. See you on the side of success.